everyone, today we're going to discuss about Bodmas and Dmas. Dmas is a part of Bodmas, so let's see what it is. Bodmas is composed of six words and mathematical operations: bracket, of, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So let's see.
I'm just saying today. Now we are going to take the examples. So the first example is of DMAS, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So it's quite simple. So we are going to take this first. Yes. Yeah. So you can pause. If you know the answer, you can pause and write in between. And please check out the video. I'll be making a video about the question of Bodmas, and you can check out that video. So in here, I'm just going to do it here, the format. Now what you do is write the whole question again, and then you all know you have to take division first, so don't get confused in it. Now we have to take the multiply. 24. So we know the answer is 39. Now let's take the second one, which is like this. So this is our first bracket question. So let's write the question down. 93 minus 25 plus 3 into 9. So now, as the rule says, bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So you may ask me, what is of? So of is the short form of the order of exponent. Exponent is like 2 raised to the power 2, or 2 squared is like 2 into 2. So I'm not taking those examples right now. I'm taking the most basic one. So here, first we need to do the bracket equations 27 and 25. 93 minus, don't go in my handwriting. So this is the, now we are just going to, 52 is the answer. You may ask, why have you put the bracket here? So until and unless we do the full equation in the bracket, we do not open the bracket. So the answer would be, forget to put the equal sign. The answer would be 41. Now I'm going to show you how to do the double bracket one. If you have understood the method, I know you can do this on your own. But if you haven't, just see the question. Minus 2 by 4. Now don't forget to put the brackets. So here we have 133 minus adding. So now we are just going to subtract it. Actually, I showed you on time. I'm going to show you the subtraction also. So yeah, and about now we have 757. So the 57 is the answer, and that's the answer. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.